Hello there. Phil Thompson from streamingchurch.tv. Thank you for using streamingchurch.tv for all your streaming video needs. So today we're going to show you how you can add some content to your dynamic area. And to do that, I want to just show you very quickly. Here's one of our designs of our streamingchurch.tv video chat platform. It's got chat over here, Bible stuff, Media Vault, and all that, donate online. I don't have this open like I should, but under this area here, this is your video player, nothing streaming, so that's why it sits, it's offline. Under that is your dynamic area, and this is where you see a countdown timer over here in the dynamic area. Over here is static, where there's nothing in static, that's under your chat. So let's talk about how you can add something to this as an admin and change the countdown timer if you put it here and change it later to something else like a give online link or something else. We'll show you how to do that. So while people are watching the live stream, this will change with a click of the mouse from your angle. If you're the admin, you can change it very quickly and people will see something different. So let's go to your admin control panel. Let's go to design branding, scroll all the way down to add new dynamic area. So this is your basic website editor. You can do different things here, add text and links and do different things. I'm going to add an image here which will appear on the platform once I select it. Once I've already created something. So I'm going to click here and I'm going to go to my computer's desktop area and I'll click on this one, Give Now. So I'm going to collect that. And so there it is. Now this is probably a little bit too big, but you get the idea. Your content should be 475 by 140. And I want to hyperlink this because otherwise I can put it in there, but if people click on it, where's it going to go? Nowhere, right? So I can hyperlink it, just click this and then click here. And I'm just going to put in our website. How's that sound? And then create content. So once I've created content, it's going to take me to the select dynamic area where there's other content that we've created, content maybe you've created. You can see all these different things. And here is what I just did, kind of too large, but I'm going to select it. I'm going to click Activate Selected. Now, once I do that, I'm going to drag this video chat platform that I showed you earlier, and I probably need to reload the page here. And voila, there's what I did. Now, as I said, this is too big, so you need to change the image size on this thing. But you get the idea. So you could do this, and if you're an admin while people are watching the stream, this area down here, dynamic area, can change with a click of your mouse and stuff that you've either preloaded or stuff that we've created for you that you can use as well. So I hope that helps. You can always reach us at streamingchurch.tv. Have yourself a great day.